fika musi ngo5 past ngizibuza ukuthi inkonzo ngibhalile postini uthi ifika ngo8 I always say ukuthi mina kumfundisi uma ungekho available especially ukufika late uzofika early abanye bazofika like let's say ngo-night prayer athi mina ngizofika ngithi ushumela ngo12 to 1 you understand umeke ezothi mina ngizohamba ngo2 ngithi nceke uhlala next time you understand they know inceke ezingizostart ukuthi sicala sonke siqeda sonke yabo because uma ufika nabantu abayi3 uma uhamba wena bayahamba abantu abayi3 kuwese futhi uze kumprofeti maybe sekune prophetic word for them sengizohamba ngiprofeta manje bakuthiwa ngigejile kanti ngakufanele ngiprofeta ufaith obekafike nawe but ngoba somthathile wahamba naye you understand
sesomgejile
yeah maybe ngizomtshela ukuthi
akasazwanga
uyayibona akasazwanga
ufaith uthayeka abafana
yebo and omunye umfana uyena loze naye lo because abayibakhashwa ama girlfriend emasontweni uyayibona so ngizama ukuthi we need to ukuthi ezinye izinto sezimoshakele angeke salungiseka the only thing that we can do uma saliphethe iqiniso asilibambe la silibambe khona akusekho lulu kulithola iqiniso elifana njengale I'm telling you iqiniso alisekho emasontweni yonke into seyinormal manje umfundisi ufika late sekunormal ahambe futhi early sekunormal uyayibona into esifana nalezo
umithise lapha sekunormal
yonke into manje normal
nalo umithi umntwana we3 amadoda ahlukile in the church sekwaba normal
ugift loyo
subscriber to Gospel Gear Shift and then click that notification bell to see more of this anything to add
yes mina prophet lokubuza yini prophets like for umuntu ofana nami mina knowledge yami prophets like ngibona umuntu or maybe ukuthi ngikhuliswa kanjani amasontweni makuthiwa prophet like anibonwa niyasabwa akumelanga ngihlale phambi kwakho kanjena nezinto ezinjalo so i-prophets like ungangitshela i-future yami manje njengoba sihleli so or i-prophecy ihlukile than lethina esitshelwa ngayo masikhulu
yabona I think it's a topic for another day. Reason why it's deep in the prophet because there are different types of prophets, you know. Angithi abantu bahamba bathi manje wonke umuntu umprofet is because yilo into enza ukuthi abantu bafuna ukuprove themselves ukuthi they are prophet. Yabo. So i-topic ye prophet yona ngokwayo. There are many streams of our prophecies. There are different types of prophecies as well. But what I can say to be fair for your question, ukuthi prophet it's a mouth of God, you know. Ukuthi umuntu okhuluma inhliziyo kaNkulunkulu. Lothi be prosper. Not all of them they are prophet. Some of them they are declarer. Some of them they are intercessor. But because of misconfusion, abantu ne prophets. Abaningi babo today they are not prophet. You understand? But because of ama confusion akhona, yabona I-gift ye prophets ngowhy in a confusion phakathi ngobuningi babo. Hence today silabantu ababuya nge23 kunoJesu obuya nge23 in the name of prophecy. Uyabona into esifana nalezo. So ngamagama ngizama ukuthi i-prophecy uma ingakhulumi imouth kaNkulunkulu we need to know it's not a prophet. Imouth kaNkulunkulu yini? Into ehambelana nezwi elikaNkulunkulu. Othi ngamagama yonke prophecy kufanele sihambe soyigugula eBhayibhelini. Ukuthi ngempela yi-prophecy ngempela le kusese i-prophecy eyeqiniso uyabona into esifana lezo yes it's possible ukuthi ngakutshela i-future yakho because yathi ngithi ama-prophecy akafani omunye uzokutshela kunalento okuthiwa ezomunye ishaya bathi forensic prophecy umuntu okutshela into eyenzeka before uyayibona into efana na
forensic prophecy
yes but i-prophecy kufanele ihambe ne-solution as well akuchaza ukuthi ngikutshela ukuthi hey asifethu uzoba udokotela fanele ngikutshela ukuthi kodwa uma udokotela fanele uyeke abafana you understand izinto ezifana nalezo so ngamagama i-prophecy ngaphakathi ihamba nani ne-solution phakathi so ngamagama i-prophecy is true it can tell you i-future yakho ingakutshela into eziningi ingakutshela i-past yakho but abanye kufanele nesiyenze ibe clear i-prophecy uma ikutshela ingozi fanele ibe ne-solution and also anything that God exposed it's weak uma ngakubona ku-accident kufanele ingasenzeki i-accident because manje isi-weak mara uma ngakutshela ngithi yasi-accident iyeza nceku nawe usuyathuka manje ivele yenzeka umthakathi lo akusiyona i-prophecy you understand so i-prophecy always goes with solution ubheke uMoses ubheke abaprofeti uma beprofeta eBhayibhelini bonke babehamba nani nesolution phakathi uma uthi uNkulunkulu efika ehlangane noFaro lapha wavela inyoka uNkulunkulu letha bavela inyoka uNkulunkulu uthi le nduku yakho yashintsha aba inyoka which is what is a solution ukuthi lama inyoka ezi exposed inyoka kaMoses yaba isolution ukudla lamanye ama solution
lamanye ama problem
you understand so always a prophet need to be attached with a solution. Any prophecy without a solution is a false prophecy. You understand?
Okay, so yilabo banjani abazi ukuthi abantu baye esihogweni?
Unfortunately, labo false.
Abenze njani?
Abazi ukuthi abantu baye esihogweni.
Usho enigma ukuthi wayethi bona.
Ngisho ngigama sengiyasho.
Uyedwa umuntu usho. Uyedwa umuntu usho njalo.
Uthi wezwa Zanele
uyezwa ngayishaya ke mina ku gifted media leyo
uZanele akhala athi
imagine
enigma ngisize
no I think enye into nceko is because we want to trend ezinye izinto esizenzakalayo yabona mina ngizoyisho straight into ka enigma phakathi yaba ne trend uma kuthulekile kunomunye umfundisi ake ngimusho ngegaba but abantu mabebonile bazoyibona lento le ukawenza umhlolo bese nomhlolo wakho waphela bengasezwa lutho ngaye ukuthi kusekuneskandala senzayo manje hey amakhothi yonke lento amaphoyisi and what ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lo kahle kwakuyi trending ngatshela umama endlini ngathi uyabona lento ayenzayo lo muntu lo it's a name of trending uyibheke lento yakhe ngami invite ake mina loyo mfundisi yabo wajika lapha ya Samuel sekafikile kufuthi azange invite wazi invite yena through umunye umfundisi wathi engicela ukuya ku gift kunento engifuna ukuyiphefumula
mina ngiyamfuna ke lo mfundisi
unfortunately how ibaningi disappoint khona la e-studio ngamtshela mina uyabona la ngamfuna uyomthola but angeke azafika e-studio uma into yakhe genuine uyabona into
esifana
then after that umeke so uyamazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngoba
ngiyambona
yeah so abantu abaningi mina ingcono angizange ngisho igama ngakho maziyo manje so abantu abaningi they do into lokuthi they want to trend most of our prophets is just for trending boyibheka into kaBaba uEnigma uEnigma uyayichaza into ayichaza kuthuleke ngayo yabona kuthulekile manje episode ezayo angavela athi yazini irap uNkulunkulu uyidedisile for December
kanti yini ngokutrenda kanti abantu ba obsessed kangaka ngokutrenda ngezinamba
ukutrenda kunemali
ngiyabona indaba yemali but if izoyenza ukuthi your name itainteke eintweni ezikanje it's not worth it it's not like imali mawuzoyithola ungekho fulfilled do you think inkabi enjoys imali I don't think so I don't think umuntu obamba inkunzi they enjoy that money banga act ngathi they enjoy it but they don't so into ithola without honesty hard work and the self fulfillment I mean I'm not in this podcasting for ukuthi
utrend ngifuna itrend le
no ukutrenda it's a secondary thing
yes
but what drives me whatever that is inside me I'm healed ngiyaphola that's number one
sure
ezokutrenda ezanzani they can come secondary and even if I don't trend I won't stop
sure
yes.
That's the point do you think if uEnigma will get 3 views uzoyenzani will continue uzohlala phansi uyabona so it's about views wanting to be relevant at all cost lying ngay 1 2 3 bekumele ngabe iSouth Africa iphelile ngokuya ngaye imagine if we had
ingazibamba amakhotha
necessary so sometimes ugovernment ungamblame ukuthi on certain things uza slow uza fast imagine if government beka entertainer all things wahamba ufaka ama resources eScom kwaba njani for something that will never happen
sure
I understand so my point enye engifuna ukuza kuyo ne gift ukuthi
ngicela ukubuza akazi ukuthi gift hayi mina ngokunderstanding ngendaba le ye prophecy
okay
ngoba uthi angithi into engathi i-deep angithi angeke ngisho uthola ukuthi uya maybe esontweni eliso bakutshele or uthi nini ngiyahamba ngiyo consult angithi those people sibabiza in ama prophet or bona kusiba prophet
qhubeka mama
yeah so nina ama prophet laba babazalwane nina nisitshela indaba zethu like uyabona lo uzoya kuye akutshela ukuthi uphethwe inyawo zibhlungu zenza kanje and uyakuphi solution gift athi bopha intambo red uzoba right or omunye athini nali itiye phuza uzoba right we understand omunye athi nayi thathe into nje ubize abakini so nina abazalwane sinibiza abo prophet but mina ngaze ngabona umprofit omzalwane akhuluma nje into ephathekayo nami engiyibonayo nje ebreak record even noma basasesontweni bathi nangu prophet gift umile angikhumbuli nje ke nikhuluma nje into ezoshokha nawe nami angithi ngihleli phansi ngithi hayi ugift uprofit kamampela uyabona sifuna ngoba uyasho ukuthi